Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to change background with generative fill in Adobe Photoshop Beta. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So here, what we're going to do. So as you can see, we have a picture right here. What I'm gonna do is that I'm going to simply click on select subject here below in the box, and then afterwards, once the subject has been selected and generated by Adobe, we're just gonna wait for it to progress. Alright, so now that we have our subject, what we're going to do is to click on the invert section, and then right here what we're going to do next is that we're going to input the background that we want to have. Say for example a hotel. Now here the next thing is that I'm simply going to wait for the background to be generated. Alright, and there. Okay, so as you can see, they're actually like a hotel type, and basically you can actually change the variation just by clicking here below in the numbered section. Alright, but as for me, it takes a lot of time since I don't have a lot of memory on my laptop anymore. So basically that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this tutorial helpful.